Day 75, 75 hard challenge. So I'm on the same position and wearing same shirt which I was wearing on the very first day, and was explaining that I will be starting this 75 hard challenge and all the challenges I will take during this 75 days. And finally we have reached that 75th day, and let's go through this whole journey. So yes, welcome to my channel. I'm Nishi Bhogar and I took up this challenge on 1st Jan 2026. So let me start with physical changes. In physical changes, I would say, first of all, if you see that first video which I uploaded, the first shot I uploaded explaining my plan for 75 hard challenge, you can see my face. It was so bloated, but now I can see the difference, that it has like slimmed down and that bloating has gone away because of consistently exercising and being active, eating healthy, drinking so much of water. And yes, that is like very apparent change you can see. Then of course muscles, my arm muscle, because the whole focus for this 75 hard challenge was doing push-up and pull-ups. And yes, the main reason was doing pull-up, and I'll let you know by end of this video if I was able to do that pull-up or not. But yes, because of that, my hand muscles have like increased, and my hand has toned very well. Then the physical change I have experienced is during periods. I had very painful periods, but now it's very manageable. It's not that painful. I can easily do whatever I want to do in it. I have to do all these things. I have to drink such amount of water no matter what. I have to hit the gym or go to ground, or at least if I cannot do all that things, I'm busy that day, I'll complete my 10k steps. I'll climb the stairs. If I don't have time to go out, I'll climb the stairs. But I was exercising every single day, doing yoga. I took up yoga. And yes, because of the 75 hard challenge, I took up one more thing, that was tennis. And I have played no sports in my life, no, not a single sport. So because of the 75 hard challenge, I had that time that I want to bring some variation in exercise. So I picked up tennis because my husband plays tennis. So he encouraged me, you should like try this sport also. He helped me out. He was training me once a week or twice a week, and I really liked it. It is a very difficult sport. I will love to continue it, but it will take a lot of time. Now mental changes. I Before this challenge, I didn't knew I had this amount of willpower, that no matter the day, how busy I was, I had marriages in between, I had to travel a lot. I went to Andaman Nicobar Islands for travel, then Bombay, then many places I traveled. I had continuous back-to-back trains, flight to catch, still in airport, on station. Even if I saw stairs, then exercising on stairs. I had no excuse. I did what I could, but I didn't skip a day and did exercise every single day. And second thing was that because of uploading shorts on YouTube, I was feeling very accountable to someone. So I was like, yes, I have to film this, I have to upload it, and I have to do exercise, that I will have some content to upload. So that also helped me a lot to stay consistent during this time. It may sound cliche that it has changed my life, 75 hard has changed everything, but it has changed my life. It has made me so responsible towards my body, towards my soul, towards my mind, that you can also do it. That giving that confidence, that if you want, if you like really set your mind to something, you can really do it. It has shown that power of doing something consistently, and has literally given me confidence which I didn't had before. I don't know, I cannot emphasize enough. I'm like every girl, especially girls. I'm like this is for every single girl. anyone is listening, please exercise every day. Start exercising at least. On the beginning of this challenge, I could do few push-ups like 1 to 2 or 1 to 5 maximum, or half knee push-ups I could do, more of those. But now I can do 15 push-ups in a row, 15 to 18 push-ups in a row, or 50 push-ups in 10 minutes. I have uploaded that video also, doing 10-minute video, that how do I do 50 push-ups in 10 minutes and the technique I use. And yes, that was my push-up journey. And coming to pull-up journey, yes, I'm almost I think only 1% is left. I'll upload that video also, doing my pull-up. It's almost there. Yes, finally I can do a single pull-up, and now eventually I will increase doing reps of pull-up, increasing reps of push-ups also. Like my main goal is to do 30 push-ups in a row and at least 5 pull-ups in a row for this year. So let's see, hope for the best I can do that. So now what after this 75 hard challenge, and what skills I want to develop related to exercise now. I realized I could strength train now after this 75 hard challenge, but my body is not that flexible, because you just have to have that flexibility for that easygoing body, that flow in your body. So I have joined yoga classes, and I'm like doing yoga also at home now. So I'm now focusing more on yoga also. Strength training is there obviously, like thrice a week, 4 times a week, but I have also joined yoga classes 5 times a week, and learning proper yoga asanas, and focusing on also meditation and pranayamas also. So yes, that is my now next goal, to be good at yoga and cardio. I realized I was just strength training during this 75 days. I forgot, like I was skipping, running little bit, but that major cardio, that stamina you should have, I didn't had that, or I don't have that now also. So I'll be more focusing on with strength, also cardio and flexibility for my body. So I've joined yoga classes for that. Now I will start running also, twice or thrice a week. Alternate days I'll do 1 day strength training, 1 day cardio, and mixing strength with cardio. And this uploading shorts, because of this 75 hour challenge and deciding to upload on shorts, have also like made me realize that like relatives and friends were getting inspired by it, and they were saying like, यार निशी कैसे कर लेती तू इतने push-ups एक साथ, या like share more of your journey, keep sharing it, we are very inspired by it, we really like watching it. And it was very like foreign to me, very like weird to me that someone is watching those videos, and someone, like everyone is like really looking forward to those videos and my progress, because I never thought anyone would watch or anyone would be interested in my journey. But yes, I felt really good and really like encouraged and confident that yes, I should upload more videos, I should be improving more skills and sharing those journey with on this platform. So I'm really glad I started sharing about this journey. I won't be doing 75 hard, but I will be uploading more about my routines, my new endeavors, whatever I take, my new skill, whatever I develop during this. Like I'm saying, flexibility, I'm focusing now on flexibility, running, yoga, more strength, like pull-up journey now. So I will be uploading those all. My eating, what I eat in a day, I really want to share also about what I eat in a day, because I'm been eating very healthy, and all those things, and my routine, all day routine with office, like how I managed to work out with other work and home and office. I will be sharing that now. And so yes, thank you for following along, and see you more often. I'll be uploading shorts, long form video. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.